Welcome back to my channel, you all. It is Michelle with Michelle's Manifesto, and I'm coming at you from the island of Maafushi here in the Maldives. And Rob and I have just been here since around 7:30 this morning. And when we first passed these little guys, they were all frustrated. I would be too if I was tied together with other birds. And my husband is just feeding them all. Hi, pretties. Can you come out? Okay, I'm not gonna bug you. Look at all these beautiful birds, guys. I think of Toucan Sam on the box of Cheerio, or not Cheerios, Fruit Loops. He was a kookaburra? How do you say what Toucan Sam was?
That's what it makes sure.
Look! Uh-oh, they're getting feisty. The natives are getting restless. Oh, baby. Hold on, we're gonna have to get some more bananas. Uh-oh, he's telling you he ate the banana. He needs more banana. Honey, these two are like, what's going on? We have to get another. They'll come for you because you... Look, they like the seeds. Aww.
Come on! What's that?
Do you want us to take a picture of both of you? They'll be your best friend for a banana. All right, as always, we're wishing you health, wealth, and longevity.